Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve Samsung phone turns on and off repeatedly issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Samsung phone turns on and off repeatedly problem with 4 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. Rebooting your Samsung phone troubleshoots all the small niggles that you face. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Boot device to safe mode. There are apps that seem to be suspicious and makes the phone keep turning on and off or won't work properly. Booting your phone into safe mode will help you determine if an app is causing the problem. To boot your device in safe mode, turn off the phone. Gently press and hold power or lock button for about 2 seconds in order to turn on the device. If the Samsung logo shows up, press and gently hold the volume down button until lock screen appears. If the lock screen shows up, the safe mode will be shown in the lower left side corner of the phone screen. Solution 3. Factory reset your Samsung device. Factory reset is often effective in fixing software-related or display problems. If the main reason for this issue is due to a glitch in the software, and not hardware, factory reset will most likely help in this regard. But, before you begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Then go to the About phone. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the incoming calls not showing issue is resolved. Solution 4. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for an automatic way to fix Samsung phone turns on and off repeatedly problem, then opt for the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android/Samsung system errors and issues easily. So, if you want to try this software, simply download it on your PC, the link given in the description box below. Once downloaded, you will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Then, install it on your PC by clicking on Install option. Click on Start Now option. Launch Android Repair Tool. Here find and click on System Repair Tool from the various functions. Connect your Samsung device to a PC using a correct cable. Then, click on Android Repair option among 3 options. At this time, you have to provide your device information like choose the correct brand, model, name, carrier details and country/region. Confirm the warning. Click Next button. This Android Repair Tool might erase all your Android device data. Enter the value 00000 to proceed. Consider booting your Samsung phone/tablet in a download mode before using Android Repair. In order to boot your phone/tablet in a DFU mode, follow the below steps. Device with a home button. Switch off your Android phone/tablet. Next, press and hold volume down plus home plus power buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, release the buttons and press a volume up button in order to enter a download mode. Device without home button. Turn off your Android phone/tablet. Then, press and hold a volume down plus Bixby plus power buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, release the buttons and press a volume up button in order to enter a download mode. Now, click on Next to start downloading firmware. Once downloading and verifying firmware process gets over, the program automatically begins to repair issue on your Samsung phone. So, this is all about solving how to fix Samsung phone turns on and off repeatedly issue. If you found this video useful, Then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.